I'm Dr. Pixie McKenna and I'm here today with Superdrug to put a bit of positivity back into the menopause. As women, it seems to be that it's the remaining taboo where our sexual health is concerned. We know it's inevitable, but all we ever seem to hear about are the negative sides, the mood swings, the irritability, the sleepless nights, the hot sweats. And actually, we don't hear anything about the positives. So I'm here to tell you, it's actually not all that bad. The good news about the menopause is that it's bye-bye to periods. And as women, we know that for years and years and years, very often our periods have ruled our lives. They might be heavy, they might be painful, they might be frequent, they might be infrequent. But once the menopause hits, they are gone. You are free to do what you like, when you like, wear what you like. And it's also bye-bye to contraception. You no longer need contraception, so you don't have to use hormones like the pill or the implant. You're free to do what you like. Once your periods are over, it's bye-bye to things like premenstrual syndrome, bloating, and mood swings related to your cycle, which is great news. Unfortunately, for some people during the menopause, they do experience things like hot flushes and irritability and night sweats. If you are struggling with any of these symptoms, Superdrug's online doctor service can assess you to see if you're suitable for HRT and prescribe something to reduce these symptoms. One of the bonuses of the menopause is that you're not going to get pregnant. You can have worry-free sex where having a baby is concerned. That's really good news. And actually, research tells us that many women feel really liberated during this time and enjoy sex much more. But don't go throwing those condoms away just yet. You need to use contraception for a full year after your last period if you have the menopause after 50. And if you have the menopause before 50 or you have any other health problems, you need to use contraception for a full 2 years after your last period. Meno-positivity is the buzzword for today. And you know what? Women do feel much more confident and more liberated during the time of menopause. And that's because it's bye-bye hormones, periods aren't controlling your life, you're not worried about pregnancy, it's a new phase. But it's important to remember to look after yourself during this time and to look at the vitamins and the minerals that you need to support you through this period. Superdrug offer a range of vitamins and supplements suitable for this time in your life and that can make you have a happy and a very healthy menopause. I've been Dr. Pixie McKenna. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this.